After nearly 5 years and a one-week delay, prosecutors are finally starting to make their case against former Alderman Ed Burke.
The jury is seated and opening statements are now underway. CBS 2 political reporter Chris Ty is following all those proceedings for us. Chris, prosecutors are just wrapping up what they will be telling the jury over the next 6 weeks. What was the crux of their argument?
The crux of their argument was that the Ed Burke scheme arrived at the intersection, their words here, of opportunity and power. They say they are going to play the recordings that show Burke in his own angry voice, that again, their words, that they are going to be playing that for these individuals. They're also going to be laying out the fact that there is going to be an intrinsic connection between 4 episodes, as they put it. The post office scandal, the scandal involving Burger King, the Binny's scandal, and the Field Museum. They're going to weave all of that together. Prosecutors just wrapped up a few minutes ago. Defense attorneys indicated that they were going to start fresh in the morning, but as we speak right now, we're learning that the jury may be coming back into the courtroom to listen to 30 minutes worth of the defense. The theory there being they don't want the jurors to go back, the Burke team doesn't, back home tonight, not hearing anything of their case.
Chris, you mentioned the jury. It took a while to get this panel seated. We know a little bit more about the 12 who ultimately are on this jury. What can you tell us about them?
What we know is that the male-female breakdown is 9 females, 3 males, and that there are only 2 of them that are from the city of Chicago. These are people who work for anything from DCFS as a caseworker. One of them is a psychotherapist. Another person is a hostess at a restaurant. Someone else works at Leo Burnett Advertising. These are individuals who are going to be here, Joe and Marie, for the next 6 weeks. That is the estimate here, combing through all of these really granular details to determine whether or not if Ed Burke, the longest-serving city councilman in Chicago history, should be put away for the rest of his life.
Chris Ty reporting for us. Chris, thank you for that live report.